Okay, get a chance to work on the design a little bit more, make some changes, and the biggest change is I've made this a super lazy Susan, the base cabinet. There'll be two trays that spin inside this cabinet. The other change is I don't have, these are stock cabinets, so I don't have a option for a 4-drawer, but I have an option for a 3-drawer. This cabinet here, this base cabinet here, was originally a 27 wide cabinet. In order to do 3 drawers, I had to make this a 30 wide cabinet, and of course this would end up being a 30 wide wall cabinet. I was told to add a cabinet above the fridge. This is a 12-inch high cabinet, 33 wide, and then there's going to be a filler right on the end here. So that leaves 35 inches of space and approximately 72 inches of space on the height. So 35 wide and 72 on the height. Other than that, everything else is the same. Oh yeah, there's also, you don't see it here, but I've also got a piece of material. It's straight stock for a valance that goes across from the cabinet here to the cabinet to the right of the window. It's a piece of straight stock, 6 inches by 42, and it's going to be cut in the field to make a valance for you. If I can clarify anything, please let me know, and I can make necessary changes.